DJI Osmo Action 4, setting myself up with the gear I have that I now use. Nice tripod, fits on the pole, no issues. I don't need to use a mini tripod stand for this because it sits way too low to the floor. So at least I could line it up on a 1/4 20 thread, spin it on, as you can see. It takes a few tries. I should use a magnetic clip, but I'm not 100% happy. So I'm able to put the height I want when I'm ready. It's not going to fall, don't have to worry. I got this nice backpack that holds my DRC Challenger. And that's it, that's all I need. Now I have a problem with one of the cells. It took me about 36 hours on and off, balance, charge it, everything. I came out here, I had low voltage sounding, either the transmitter or the battery itself. Well, I'm going to go set up and do a run. Now I'm going to use the Osmo Pocket 3. So it's take me a few minutes to set up, and off I go. I've got some swans out here. I don't want to scare them away, but hey, I'll switch on over to the Pocket 3 with the microphone when I'm all set up. I hope I have enough room. We're good to go. Everything from background is going to be all blurry. So I'm going to change you over just a little bit out of my way and have some fun filming. Yeah, gotta be a weak battery. No way I can recover it. I'm out here with the DJI Osmo Action 4. It's on my head, and I'm with the Eco Road EC8. Scooter is definitely a nice scooter that started out with a very low price of $270 about. Now it's well over $300. And gets me my distance I need to go a couple of times. And it's lightweight, so I could carry it where I need to be at. I have to do is get over, you can see my camera down there. I have to get over this bump area, and I don't want to bring it into salt water. So let me lift this bad boy up and get on going. Well, don't want to fall. I'm almost where I need to be at, and I'll take my time getting on up. No stairs here. So what we're gonna do is maybe go down the road up to 19 miles per hour. Wind will be in my ears because my helmet can't block the wind. And I got double tap. I'm on S sports mode. And here we go. Let's get on going. Woo, you heard that little skid out. 17 seconds gets you up to 19 miles per hour. You're gonna hear a little click when I let go of the throttle. I'll let go when I pass this tree right here. 3, 2, 1, and we're at top speed. I'm not sure how long this strip is, but it's definitely a good mile. Take me about 3 minutes to do it. And I'll get down by a bar. The faster you go and the weight you got, it's going to definitely give you less battery consumption. So I'm traveling along, speed-wise 19, that's the top speed you can go. It has a rear suspension on the back wheel. The front, you feel the bounce. 10-inch pneumatic tires, wheels. 43-inch body length and height. I want to say 18 inches in width of the handlebars at 27 pounds about. Foldable. The EC6 is its brother, a little smaller, 41, 39. A little less battery. A little bit more spunky with the peak power, but doesn't go as long, I feel, as the EC8. We're getting 3/4 of the way in. As you can see in the distance, a school bus. Here we go, continuing on. We'll end up at the next traffic light. That's the end of the road for me. And I could probably go a couple of good miles before I run out of juice. Have I run out of juice on this bad boy? I came low and I charged it the best I can. Solar panel and power station. Oh man, I had a good time doing that. It gives me almost a full battery run when I'm down low. And getting off a throttle. There you go. I'll probably coast right up to the light and stop. That's the Eco EC8 scooter. Perfectly, right at the light we stop. Hey, on fish, I'm pointing you to the sky. I want you to look up at the sky. I want you to enjoy the view as we ride. What a wonderful view looking up. Nobody shoots video looking up. If you're in a city, the big city, you get to see the sky. You get to see everything that's up there, the skyscrapers and all. Oh man, you get to see a lot. Oh yeah. You see the lines going across.